Imagine having the power of a data center sitting quietly on your desk. No cloud fees, no latency, no waiting for someone else's servers to process your ideas. Just raw computing power, compact, efficient, and personal. That's what people are calling the mini supercomputer revolution. And today, we're answering one question that matters more than specs or hype. Can it actually change your tech game? Because this isn't just about smaller computers. It's about who controls computing power in the AI era, and that changes everything. For decades, serious computing power was locked behind massive servers, corporations, and cloud platforms. If you wanted to train AI models, run simulations, process huge datasets, or build advanced systems, you needed enterprise budgets, cloud subscriptions, or access to big institutions. That barrier is collapsing. Mini supercomputers, compact, high-performance machines, are putting serious power into the hands of individuals, startups, and creators. And that shift is bigger than most people realize. Let's define what we're talking about. A mini supercomputer isn't just a fast PC. It's a compact system designed to deliver high parallel processing, AI acceleration, advanced GPU, or specialized chip performance, all in a machine that fits on a desk, in a backpack, or even embedded into products. These systems are being used for AI development, edge computing, robotics, scientific research, content creation, cybersecurity, and advanced software engineering. This is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. So why is this a revolution? Because computing power has always shaped who wins. Whoever controls compute controls innovation, speed, experimentation, and ultimately, money. In the cloud era, power shifted to big tech. In the mini supercomputer era, power is shifting back to individuals. That's the real story. Let's talk about what makes this possible. Three forces collided at the same time. First, massive improvements in chip efficiency. Modern processors and AI accelerators deliver insane performance per watt. What used to require server racks now fits on a motherboard. Second, AI workloads favor parallel processing. AI doesn't need one super-fast brain. It needs many brains working at once. That's perfect for compact, GPU-heavy systems. Third, demand exploded. Developers, researchers, and creators want local AI. They want privacy. They want speed. They want ownership. Mini supercomputers are the answer. Now let's get practical. How can this actually change your tech game? First, AI development without the cloud. If you're building AI models, experimenting with machine learning, or fine-tuning existing systems, local compute is a game changer. No upload delays, no data exposure, no usage limits. You can test, break, rebuild, and iterate instantly. That speed compounds. People underestimate how much faster innovation happens when friction disappears. Second, content creation at a professional level. Video editing, 3D rendering, visual effects, AI-generated media. These tasks crush normal computers. Mini supercomputers handle them locally, in real time. That means faster exports, more experiments, higher quality output. If content is your business, compute is your leverage. Third, edge computing and real-world applications. This is where things get interesting. Instead of sending data to the cloud, mini supercomputers process it on-site. That matters for robotics drones, smart factories, healthcare devices, autonomous systems, lower latency, higher reliability, more privacy. In many industries, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a requirement. Fourth, learning and skill building. If you're trying to future-proof your career, access to powerful hardware matters. You can run real AI models, simulate real systems, practice real workloads. Instead of watching tutorials, you build. That hands-on experience is what separates theory from income. Now, let's address the big question. Is this just hype, or is it actually practical? The answer is, it depends on how you use it. A mini supercomputer won't magically make you smarter. It won't replace skills. It won't do the work for you. but it removes limitations. And removing limitations is how breakthroughs happen. There are also real trade-offs. Let's be honest. Mini supercomputers can be expensive, power-hungry, noisy overkill for basic tasks. If all you do is browse, write emails, or stream content, you don't need this. This technology isn't for everyone. It's for people who build, create, experiment. Push boundaries. If that's not you, the cloud is fine. But if you are building something serious, here's the key advantage: ownership. When you own your compute, you own your data, your speed, your experimentation, your roadmap. You're not waiting on API limits. You're not budgeting usage. You're not dependent on platform changes. That independence is powerful. Now let's talk trends. Why is YouTube, tech media, and the developer world suddenly obsessed with this? Because three big trends are converging. 1. AI is moving local. People don't want everything in the cloud anymore. Privacy, cost, and speed matter. 2. Hardware is becoming strategic again. For years, software dominated. Now hardware matters just as much. 3. Individual creators are competing with companies. A single person with the right tools can now build what used to require teams. Mini supercomputers make that possible. So can this change your tech game? If your game is passive consumption, no. Basic office work, no. Casual use, no. But if your game is AI development, yes. High-end content creation, yes. Tech entrepreneurship, yes. Advanced learning, yes. This is leverage, and leverage is how small players beat big ones. Let's zoom out. Every major tech shift follows the same pattern. Power starts centralized. Then it becomes smaller. Then it becomes personal. Mainframes, personal computers, smartphones. Now, personal high-performance computing. Mini supercomputers are the next step in that evolution. The real opportunity isn't buying hardware. It's thinking differently about what you can build. When compute is no longer the bottleneck, imagination becomes the limit. And in the AI era, imagination is currency. So here's the final takeaway. The mini supercomputer revolution isn't about machines. It's about control. Control over your tools, your data, your speed, your future. For some people, it will change everything. For others, it won't matter at all. The difference is simple. Builders will use it to gain leverage. Everyone else will just watch the trend. And in technology, the people who build always win. If you want to stay ahead, don't just ask, what's the next big thing? Ask, how can this change the way I play the game? Because the revolution isn't loud. It's sitting quietly on a desk, waiting for the right person to use it.